Tafutisem no or the aba and nano pay. I beg your 4 bets nasia, ye be boy ransom, no maybe sour. Say no musi feel a phone. Is it good? Is it right? No counsel, and no. Say, Yadi a vice president, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, a dear for to same way about. Well, may catch you beam say live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, some dark horse, and let's set some dark with TV and see streaming live. Oh, and I don't pay. My question for the day, maybe South say, yes, sir, Beme Biara. What's this so? Now, Obe Warrior, Kumniana, and then poor Oba Obe Warrior, she saw Obe Waru Kumni. We as many said them tell me as many pure and zema me smelly and kasankasa mommy vi adwabu jangwana moti mbizake eli smelly ya oke kuja smelly na we fantinia or de war fantinia na mpocho if you saw upon change na twa or de war so upon yi or de worry ego monyi another it doesn't matter love no here ana mbacho na sisa me kasa biom o ti kokko so na so ya santinia yes was santinia na was warina na ana se ne de hu hia odo no na was ohwehwe odo ko ba bi odo yin na nipa ba ko yin na do tie ya it doesn't matter masa o ware asantinia nya hwe me yazmeni nam ko asantinia nya hwe me yazmeni nam ko ware fantinia nya hwe ana se mata because ana pempi beto no na wa nwra ni de na ko ware zmeni I want to go for fast and day. Yeah, they bedin a simple be yet to sign. Tell me, be south say. A advice I would say, in the baby Abawari or say, or Ukumi, and I say, and found. Maybe my life is not too much, Eddie. Me motivation and pay me some Eddie piece or Eddie Amon say, be air relaxing. What I say, take things easy, relax. I did Pia situation be a go home, relax my situation. Obi need do what him. Obi na ka die nim de fa relax let the person see kasa Diane me relax na o ka say me di o ka gu me ho fi it doesn't matter me bro for be there bia me can say the end will justify the means what I say ewie ye no e na ebe ho obi betimi ase wa ka de wo me die nim nyina fa ho so hwe relax ewie ye no me say ewie no crave to krum bia bedadi enimguase wo se baby ebi hu baby enimguase ne beko mba cho what I say and relax man wo mabi enyi no ma bebre ano first na sadam to because when it me sheme with mo time say I don't know what can say yeah I do there bia me the bomb of lumba ba so I say you wani na shade many pa na free and I'm share me the end will justify the means. My born to you. For me, no ma be so relax it. A dream ho relationship in him. Our reading or born on so. If you now with him, relax it. My you know what him. What you choose when you tree. Do baby you feel you mark them on your hot that. If you be mark them, Miss Winya hot that. Now so relax it. Home. Nemo now prepare when you sika pa macho fie ni o bye ni wo mo se bibi ani ho na obekọ foforo beba ono so nti because say if you we there senti na akosu abeta want me antene on say the end na justify the means ama wo mo hu sene wo musu eno wo mban esitie relax wati e dey me lines na to me premier na anope yenko ye ni mbrakwe ko America anope mi chao ene mo amodo data efie nyina no na kopon insha mo sa anope bia no mo hweye mami Cecilia wo kwesimi tim takorade mami o te se anope mi chao eno Kate oni baba ko dwedo hine mo ho ye ene mami ko bedi akon ene akosi agemfo a ho ye bi chao ni bedi akofo nyina ne mo ho ya ye ho ye sister si ene abedwafo obuase so no yichia munyina aboasefo mrante ne Danny boy yechecha munyina yakopo Israel sanso na ba ben kotano so nana yawo oni abusi o ho so friend me enti mi chia wan sawaba first caller ba hello good morning ofani na ho e Sasa baba me ho den yenti wa no pay Oh, online munye offer jine mama kakra na online munye. Dabi mama me call afofo na offer line munye. Meso se wo frame ya na opposition hu ye kakra. Aha. Dabi. Ene de no offer online munye. Mpacho MCR from mama call afofo na offer inside and frame beam 25 minutes after 6. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Great. Me pacho dini baby I'll frame me free.
Hello.
Pacho me to kampa, we dini baby I'll frame me free.
But I'm not so
Well guys, why don't my yenti one pay?
Pacho.
Uh-huh.
I'm
Okay.
Now it's this one. And after 100 man, if you see a man.
Okay.
But I don't know. It's a woman.
Okay.
Let's see if they're three and up. It should be cafe. When cafe trade, you're something to lead them and to lead by you. You need different cafe. You don't know to lead by you. What can you do for a difference? For 100 money, be paid different. One of the Daniel Bent and if you don't have to. You need to travel and I could find that because you need
Okay. Right. Why don't you and no also meet me frame me 27 minutes after 6 a.m. frame na you proper say oh worry was so worry krumni and I say no dey mfa ho odono ene hia enti na mfa ho say oh ya santi na be wara ngunani and I say ya ngunani na be wara nzimeni and now nzimeni na be wara fantini. It doesn't matter odono ene hia and I say it matters say was so oko worry I will share you. Aha enti wa fe dem so line mu ye now line mu enti yeah Okay. All right. Offer. Enka also offer both boho sasa odo ko baby odo enye say chinchina etwan e wo say ye dey tribalism era aware mu ene ajaja 29 minutes after 6 a.m. give me a call now of course you're live on Facebook Koowaa TVGH. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho dini baby I'll frame me free.
But Reverend Prophet Matthew Sebonsini, Adam Kwame, Barakesi Road.
Reverend, now hoye.
But Mpai Bonti, Gidi, Christo, me hoye pa, but it's also hoye de.
So Nyami Adum, me hoye pa.
I'm trying to play the American affair. Christian Nibia, Yawali Gideon, you might believe and faith. And you so you Christian near, Yawali Gideon. And you found so infant in your ends, they had the same body. You got it in our obesity. It is so worry. In your couple back, you have it low. What day if bless Adam? Let me say, he said, Yankupon, my Adam 99 people wisdom. When you pocket is a divided, okay. I thought I can say, you question. And can you also complain because of banning today? And it also might be people for the back. Oh, yeah, and I want to come a year. Can't look at the quantity of the young children. We are good, you must any man was the other area, and then what's my complaint of criminal, and you have an and the result of nothing. It's only a gun. Bye-bye.
Also, Reverend, and okay, also do contribution about live on Facebook, with TVGs. I'm picking about 2 or 3 more calls. Now, I draw the phone in, no, down. Now, I feel no, no more, no pay. Give me a call. Let's go. 31 minutes after 6 a.m. Of course, you're live on Facebook. Come on with TVGH. Well, so waiting for your call.
Hello.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, did you have a call there?
The Pacho, did you have a call? Many at Mata, most of them will be at the night.
Yeah, that's
but you have a trouble. They are running clue. But we are over to have a bride, but they are running clue. I already and found on a try. You'll be now about the minute. So we include me, so we include so that boy about the man, and I know it. If you are busy, I will include me anyway. Maybe I will include me, you know. First, I'm going to include PTB, Mama, because I remember I couldn't PTB, maybe Mama, maybe I can be. Okay.
Thank you so much for contribution. And I said the love is what you should look for. It doesn't really matter. Just go in for, the LOVE. Wow, and I say matter. Mami fala scholar na fino. Mimra na mema bigger for akwaba na yemunra yesemnum no pay. Do I have a call on the line? Okay. Hello, good morning. Okay, went to me engineer. So a couple of messages I made on Facebook Live, and let me just read some for you. If this is a good morning, my sweet Diane, and of course your lovely team. Good morning to you as well. Thank you for watching. If I said I love this, we love you for being there. If I said please kindly share this video to friends and family to be blessed. Thank you. If Edu said I love you or we love you right back. Ajo, you're watching me. I can see you. Good morning to you, my love. I hope so. Oh yeah. Good morning, Ajo Memphis. AJ, all the way inside the 37 military hospital. Ajo Memphis, marching. Right. The love is deep. Good morning. Yeah. Okay. Auntie, my last caller. Nafino. Yeah, she and same. Let me come on a SMS. I have this SMS here. 1, 2. Okay. BB says that. Good morning. How much do you spend on your hair? Told me to pay for you. Always braid your hair. Oh, baby, men kind of can. I don't like it. It's once a while. Yeah, shame on you. I want my basketball message now. This one is from Kelly. Kelly said, "This is SMS." Kelly said, "Good morning, Diane. Let me say this: when your panels come, ask the MPP what he thinks about the NHIS, that's the domain he has really talked about. Absolutely, I'm going to ask him because it means a lot to me. I go for every health insurance no say juma say juma say na course with me card and kwa you do no kwa na trauma or any other and simple no omuntia mo call our line so I guess. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, I think say with me engineer so. Wow, and I don't pay and come out ye bedi and say maje nyina doma hene wakasa na ne nsema odi atudwa and say or say health insurance na sebi son sebi enyado yem papa president before ejibaye no onim say ke eye and then we call hospital south moon say etimi boa ma yi card ni ajade nu kra na etro e de man na say yes so no ana say etimi mufo ye ho ahare ni ajade no o say no omuntia enti akoye bibie wo ho nana akasa de oka nyina ne say aban no anhwe ne wantia obesiu aban no e wo court enti nana akasa mejafo veterans me bisa mo how they feel about the whole thing this morning. Sasso and Vice President, flag bearer elect for the New Patriotic Party, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, or not so Akasa, Okupi more or not, now Okupi more honor, and some audio tuja and say, Ebeya, and Casebio, say, on one idea, New Penny, and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and to say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Equa Proba, on Kaji, obey. Or can't you beat him? Yeah, the people will vote for him. No, yeah, me money attack personality. Tibia, ovation on maybe or carcass, a tree, and they are channel or Debbie. Sanye into the advice general, and they are two. And also, you go a room where you do home come whether it's good or bad, how they feel about the whole thing. If you say, and they name him say, hey, yeah, na a drop proba, Nakasa Chichi, which me share, Ninia, Nyonko, now I can't say it is a small becat or no. Why, hey, Nakay Bibia, right about now, my memory. Now, my mommy guest, but didn't have a looking off fly executively, but taking a breakfast. If you say, yeah, I didn't tell me no, or come home, be that's me, meant you. Media no, and then no late into no. We are no came, yeah, me guest no at Nasi, Dr. E.A. Morrison, Ashanti Regional Communication Team Member for the NDC. Dr. Mepacha Koowaa. Me right now, hey. Papa,
you be that. We the fuse rube.
I didn't bet you by home. I didn't bet oh, doctor. In spite of oh, what is that? Maybe Mr. Mr. and I'm off for Pam Pam. We are one. I asked them all. But I mean, I was so high and fair. I love this series.
But that's what he bought. But that's
so.
But that's what he bought.
Yaba.
That's it.
Maybe a free book. Great.
Connected to the right places.
Great.
But before me call no so no mamenchia me ankasa me papa okay the honorable Albert
okay
you sure say papa you very popular politics former member of parliament constituency in the Upper East region Minister for Works and Housing.
Okay. Administration.
Under the Mahama administration, so we Upper East Minister. And so we several as member of parliament constituency, Minister for Works and Housing, and then also the honorable Upper East Minister. Oh, but it will show it then. Aha, I think say it's only right, say. Bichiame Papa no pay. He's a very fine politician and even
wow.
oh yes, no doubt about it.
Beautiful.
We're a very fine politician and even a better father or a better family man. Oh yes.
I'm hoping to, have one day to interview.
Certainly. we will talk about that after the show. Okay. Papa, Honorable Abeta Bongo.
Okay.
We show you and obey me chairman. Kwansron Koso. Na Misanchia, Atumamponia parliamentary candidate, Stephen Yabwa. Also monitor will show you pay. And Opay will show you a teacher from Kwana. I teach you from Kwa will show you.
Thank you.
Also, a former DC for Atumamponia. Now the parliamentary candidate for Atumamponia. Honorable Stephen Yabwa. No pay me chow. And I decree. Sorry, and I'm so number one, Dikru Nanata. Also monitor will show you to pay, and also make sure.
If I have a whole doctor on the show, why won't they monitor? I'm so grateful that you're monitoring the show.
Yeah, video. Amen.
Doctor,
Amen.
what is say? Yaji na domain yakasa. Akasa for health insurance. Health insurance, CBS or CBN, the papa for the buyer. And then MPP4 or Motina baby, no biomana, no more car, social intervention, you can say social intervention bay, and I can say policy bay, and I did it for Modiaba, Modiamutsmi Bubi, what I say, but or Modi or Mubiomana, ye the health insurance by ye the school feeding about, ye the free SHS about, ye the way about free maternal about, ye the way about, no make it can't be breathed now. Health insurance, sir. One more dear buy and papa for up and so you know, bossy any G, and me crime will be. And then, Nana Akasa. Also, I'm job. And so I quiet care of her. I must say, no, one more even pono, one more oh pretty pharmaceutical shops at the Saka, one more accepted health insurance, and then no, I quiet car. And Tinana say, Samana shake, no one fits here. Or they are buying a court. Daughter, Eddie and I'll be comfortable.
Yo, Lady Dan, I'm say, Okasa, MPP4 no, Tembiado, or Mokasa, almost say, a lot of social interventions and Abba.
Yeah.
About health insurance and free SHS nearly. And Omukasa, I don't know, so much I say, and this is for any social intervention, which is a blatant lie. It is a lie from the deepest pit of hell. But me personally wasted time on that. I think say that is another topic for another day.
Sure.
On a good day, say, I don't know by topic at that password. Who say on that score, no, social interventions, no, why and any kind of for a now you share health insurance in perspective. Yura Domahini and private healthcare providers no a year or more third annual conference and your 2 years after Yura Domahini was Sergeant for Siadio Ajabambedu the second. Say Yura also for any more number tie ye cheap. Na ye Jumadia ye dino. NCP MIA. And you were quiet, no. You could be a man can be the SBU and one for cranky, yes, or Cassa. It's not the same work as I was say. Or can say baby, but I'm said the name more potent health insurance issue. Now, here's why a friends, the healthcare providers and a Shia or me did say. Omo da drink kasi omo problem kasi na e face omo pa eni say health insurance no omo katria was say anasiska was say omo fotu omo no omo dey run health insurance no omo various health facilities no emma
sure
so emma this how unti no na was say na edi na no tumbi because at the end of the day no e affect the mind for e affect Ghana for
exactly
so oyima wa we aware say ene you no kuta health insurance na ko hospital said you come here you say apomodin adwuma yefo no say you treat you no na different from obi a ono no ekuta ne sika ode ba beji apomu den
sa
so enti na ne se de tie ne de se be ya Ghana for a me no mienu nyina ka ho bi ye tiefo ne ahwefo nyina ka ho bi ukọ hospital a obetuma anya apomuden papa na yetima hwe oyie no health insurance no aban jijiska na o ma ne nko wano ema healthcare providers no say be your most betuma ere ahwe Ghana for eyie because at the end of the day no o man no ye fapem nyina no ene yen apomuden no so no ni nyina ejina yen hospitals ni health friends clinics eso dimi de na kam susu se nana wan kan bone eya ne manfo yie na wo pre eya Ghana yie na wo pre but me monitor several platforms ni channels ya just say ya super na papa say na ye politics ni ade asem o kan ye oyima mi hunu ni bone so mi hu ni politics a oye no baby e free eba so na e kam ya se sebi o said in previous ye nuanu MPP for no na nsen no sebi wo mu ye ama wo mani ata wo mani nton because so wo mu sia tu wo mu ni amano asi ya hemfo no so no entwaye kra ohempon bi ti say na o si ade ayo ajima badu do ma hene wono wanya just a paramount chief or other paramounts under him so I would dimu pa eni kwase yedi nanim twitwiri fo so me da bia ambisa me se bi o se okuro mu hene no a nka de aye betina TV so ni radio so eka no gasa de beka no ana all in the name of politics nti hwe anura ya it is on social media and traditional media yewura go so hene ya super na tese ya super na yewura John Dramani Mahama ekwa proebo wo go so ne tempo ana o man hene bae osisi na kwan nyina tete apansam enti sabi o sabi radio say ama krom ho abosom krampo no adwane agya it's not a laughing matter o ima
because omu twa kwan kra wa be hwe a
o ima just yewura say just say woni aban ya kasa just onu omu kasa behind the scenes a yemfiu wo ba abontin be kasa so a is hey wo ye politics na wo mpa aban na sem na wo de aban ni just say wo tan aban na wo ye politics ni ade eno wo be je di say in public na yewura go so mahini esu oyi ma mi wo video no wo had me say mi wi a and I oh yes also in public and tempara na nampen akonwa no mpanifo no e de ntoma akotwa no hia because enya fe awe ho just say me hwe video no hima me wura hoye
ade na mana na so ye because say wo mu
o se na ne my god so atete apansam for 7-8 years ya MPP abedi Ghana so wontimi hunu adikro poti a obetimi de nsa atene so a kire se MPP aban ba ye ade we se ene ya ma go so ene ni potem wokoka ni edi na tem ohima entwa ye do ma hene asem wo beka ye nka me gidi se nko kasa ma Ghana fo kasa ma me no mienu ani kwa se ke edi na tem ebi o nka ne papa mu a yewura de wo kan ye ya tena so pam ye betu ho anamo nanki ya engage no behind the scenes nanka next time kwa nko wanza amba public kwa mbeka ho asem bim but what try engage behind the scenes amu mfi no oba public beka sa na fere bodin nanim adane from na modina no just say bodin nanim adane do matena mo nante so hwe ye nka se yewura santimawura ana won kwaso the same treatment ye dem ayura about asanteman koso yura say asanteman makwan nyina enye so edian na aban MPP aban mu ye ade afasa ade so ohima wa o yenya ye hukum ha say ohene akasa fa na kwa yemu ya no hwe konfa no cha asem ya last week as a last 2 weeks e beto odwa so ayina do so wi wa engage president and any party behind the scenes several times yemfi no yewura santimairu onim se onim de onim so ba bontin be ka sisi a ya ba so pa no maybe you must TV so radio so me so pa no bet ana me ka say bia o mutimi ma radio so no TV so me so pa no bet in their process behind the scenes no in their meetings no
they can talk about
oh yes until you say one day me man for mumra ye ni ayenye ya de so mumfi ya mumra ye nyina ye ni ankasa santima ye be ya de until no ba ya wo say yibi ma heal Koowaa ati pansam so ni papa mu a sabi radio so ye ntua to ma manhia wo asantiman ana Ghana ye ntua to e ma manhia na so otumfo itua to e dum akufo ado aban so won fanya Ghana yi etika bibi to chew e wo man mu na se ohim e be sore be kasa
o se o muso maso
nka wose ke tie na sopam ni papa mu a wose tie na sopam he ye wura gamanche aso sore be kasa se ni nsase a nkroma penso ye be gi si ye di ye empuntudwuma magana oh ene ya beda ni state lands no aba we ba mo fum ni nyafu left right center so mo anya isa de na ni nsase a wode ama ban ni nyina no wo be sa baji na de e wo Ghana ha se ye nim kwan a ye di gamanche e fa so gamanche ohima wonyo henkuma so ye ranking hufuo Ghana hanum si ya wo de no betutu be fan say otumfuo mo ho ya na mo fan say the Nairi mo ho because these are great kings of Morgan has here almost our other paramounts under them so gamancha bekas asem we say no e no kra na say nya no kre e ade a AC day in day out bia appointees of Akufo-Addo's government mo fom nsase nyafu hwe ebra sebi se John we call the crachi na me fa na crachi yi ne will e ba bonten achemota forest nyina nsase bi nyina odi bi ma ne wo fa ase no edwan say na me so it is aban we no sebi producer mu ba se mu ba be di Ghana nya ana se mu ba be sum Ghana asema mu ka bra na mu opposition in 2016 the battle is the Lord's so any ana boni ben bi da bia mi se boni ben na Ghana ye dia ye sa ban we see and then yimfo nyina esu in public yimfo esu in public wo mu su wo dem de yentimi nka
Doctor say Mr. Ebemu amenka to short to me bisa say e dey na wo susu say ama akoso ama sebie so sebie nya ato wo ntimi ntua health insurance e bo apayo ana said why is the money not going
menu aba me da se nisa question ya obi say health insurance no e kwa be so na ye fa so e finance no e true taxation ade biara beto wo Ghana hanum say no ye wo bibia efe no the health insurance levy
okay
health insurance levy sabi ohima insuo krampo to bottled water unim say yet health insurance levy
okay
oh yes insuo krampo Ghana for ye nom no health insurance levy edaso ye tituo ni bi edukobo health insurance ho bra
okay
ade bia auto fuela health insurance levy daso
okay
ukra bibi di bagana maimu a health insurance levy edaso
all right
just me kaka me trimu me ntimi hu adekodi e wo Ghana hanum say ya health insurance levy eniso bibi bia a obeto wo Ghana ha na obeton wo Ghana hanum say bia health insurance levy edaso ohima entisika no de aban no jeje Ghana ha yentonsi onuma na utonsi obia na utua health insurance levy Ghana ofuru ka bia utua health insurance levy because car no fuel negum petrol negum diesel negum saa ne mai nyina so health insurance levy eda so ansa na car no kra ye kra ba o mai mu ese mu kra ba e bi duru na ba clear no report no health insurance levy eda so so enti sika no de e ade a eba aban foto
enti eye ni da ho.
The problem is corruption and mismanagement. So sika no abato aban foto mu a wose nke edi kotua eko health insurance account mu na health insurance so etuatua ma health providers no na ya diabetes scan here dey eko different place ya aban ni susu se eno no hia more esene your health insurance no
say baby aban no channel scan course na no so hia wo
but eno your friend misappropriation of funds no.
Okay.
So sika no ye dey amount se fa koye ABC o se me dey akoye XYZ sebio se wo free say baby a wo dey health insurance levy sika no aircon se ho so hia. You have to be smart. Sit down and think around the clock. Na he kwan abafa so be generate sika a obedu be dey wo be ko ho no so. Is your health insurance egu oyi ma see trans ni enhwe han ne yankasa yes one kasa otiri hu ayi yi bone si yankasa health insurance yi hu na se ejigu a Ghana man yapomudin ato ape hwe health insurance no ai buy no apart from apomudin ai de Ghana for no esa ma Ghana for eduma bebre health insurance private health care providers you ko ye BTs. That's private hospitals, private clinics, health centers near there. Ohima oni minipa dodo omo employ wo Ghana hanum say. They employ thousands if not millions of Ghanaians in their various health facilities or Ghana hanum say. And nay menu can say nurses we school way back in 2019 edasutifie nya adwuma ye. Most of them are working in these private health facilities. So that they will be able to put body and soul together. They will be able to cushion themselves with the meager salaries that they draw from these health facilities. Sa health facility ba kokwa egu a uni ma nurse fo e be kwatena fie. A doctor fo e be kwatena fie. Health friends physician assistant and I from PA. Omba kwatena fie. Security men e be kwatena fie. So lab technicians e be kwatena fie. So
if I'm about to fee,
that is a drum healthcare providers approve a juma or sa Ghana for a year or sa and ya edmaketua. Apart from say apomudin a year share apomudin so no. Yesa Ghana mabunu a juma a year from security to lab technicians to cleaners to physician assistants, nurses, doctors, midwives, pharmacists, so on and so forth. So, and it is a very productive sector. And you can say tutuna sekra. And so, if you ask me this morning, I mean, nim adia, and we be here. Or Ghana, a chain, Ghana, my apomudin. Sabi anope minuti yanum say, Ohima. So sorry is a wound do I mean this a bit my better hand say. Miss me who adodomia and as I'm sorry my pomudino since CPR meet me better hand say. So and apomudin here. So Pia Ghana my say any pomudin Ghana or mine ain't been tumpo ain't been konanim. Ghana will come to a standstill. Okay. What is here? Ain't you know media majidi say or my way say abino. He should sit down, think and come again. Because only any year, crack. No cry, Ohima.
Because it says scanning Konya,
scanning call only in the year. What scanning call him?
If you are a call, national uncle.
Oh, I say,
if you are a call, national uncle.
That's fair enough. But who say, private health facilities, no?
Yeah.
Woman is called baby, Omodobo, Omo, I know brown. Ayesika ya sazika na health insurance ya so tamana cash and carry system yi wo oba utua na wokọ so draw watua ka consultation fee wetuaka okoji folder wetuaka nti wutua ho no mu anu na yaje boso meso a omo so betuma tua omo adwuma efo nyina aka aduro omo ko kraba omo ko kra nyina ye tua so ho de me kire no enti apomuden na ekọ shiwo na ne ohima in arrears abai with the car over 18 months arrears 18 months arrears. How do you expect them to cope? How do you expect health facilities so
okay.
That's a very big question we should be asking ourselves this morning. Umunya then ometuya omeduma foka. Ena aduma ini so aseb you one tua ne kan na komden no. So oba aduma kwampa o de amemenu fe na ye aduma no.
Ene no Christian e o cham ka me ba na mamuna.
So
menim kra enye love.
Menim kra anya fe.
Oh well.
So I know say health your friends say healthcare providers so there o hospital yes nurse ni krampo ni say obesi asre acho ni say ni besi ati say aya wanim city wa hima say o yare no kwat mi ye de ekọ wa bra wo ye nyama waduro kra
Exactly.
as a nurse ni come de no yes a hungry man is an angry man
It's be ko no jojo
no na ni boafu dada
kasakra no
and you know most of the time we call your health facilities na yes nurse 40 ati ankrofo so because a hungry man is an angry man
absolutely
ono ni boafu dada anya wona ni boafu ni dada ye ntia de ka ko de no
why sir so you so etwen ye nua be ma Miracle Mohammed Kamal IT, that's the Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the MPP. Onya Mbedru nti as an senior Babidru no obidra na je say yakọ ono so no nti o maye no enena Dr. Eguso kasa doctor. So in this case as say sikanin ko ye nanaba kasa ama say enkofo ye tag no so when we did so far as we can do we want somebody any or party we any say no ebeboa ama sebi sa ka bi mami ka bi amemuya de bi o mo ka say yenye atimi ayi because it says me ko ka say ya e better give me say me wa ha say me kra me ti ahwe na me ko bi so asem bi ana say me ko bi so ya asem bi a obi ti fa say na dan de o hwe no wa ha dan de o hwe na eno ebeboa
oyma me cry there me hu ni say we be kasa near victimize near target say we MPP and also NDC do
yeah
I don't think say yeah we say ma eno hunu aye
okay
so hu de me kire no
yeah
na ye kan ano tum na ayiboni aban we di yiye no yeso wankasa oturu ayi boni so amamu boni ekoso Ghana hanum see no na ekoso saa see yes ni saa so dia sabi na ye Ghana fo ani ni yi daachim echiri ma be bisaye
sir
so I was say we have to speak truth to power no matter the victimization the threats and the intimidation I be buy so so aban we in opposition e kasai e de be do manka o Ghana hanum say aje se o ma hu se bibi hu atochima kakra o mo kasai enti die na na asesa en ne Ghana fo ntimi nkasa an sebi brother sebi enya do ye hemfo kra kasa krampo na ne ye de omoni madane do macha ye de omoni mu twitwirfo e ba ne say na mo memi de ade ba kwa me hu ni say he aban bia no so obekọ opposition na ese aboa bia bewu a no wo pre these are clear indications
okay
say aban no afeda mamu no afono wo mo
okay
na they are on their way to opposition 2024 na me aduma Ghana for ebe kasa na Ghana for kasa so a ye hemfo mu do mo ani madane fo mo ye di ani mo twitwiri fom Ghana for a kasa wo bibi se bibi nkoyi o man na obi wa no ka sisi a yes wo ye NDC wo mpe o man ni ye didi watem ni e buru binim no saafo no nyina be kasa na sebi abamboni we say ye jano kwan enura beti se akufuado onu ankasa ne prophet owusu bempa
okay
ze nkomsha wode aba na wo se nyankopon ayi akire no Me dey na me nyina hobby. Jack Boromia kind of you and I were not there.
You're back again with this Boromia. I don't want you to say it.
Oh,
so don't say it.
Let's
keep the right name.
Oh, him incompetent Mahama man to Ghana.
Oh, I know the Bati Ampa.
Incompetent Mahama man to Ghana.
That was, political.
Professor Doolittle man to Ghana has
it. Political talk. Political talk.
So this is equally a political talk. No. So, Anna Meboa.
No.
Said I might be a beacon. Hey, a Kufuado in the Bawumi and a Shasha to 2D Ghana has you. Nankasadi we said it was alien in our Ghanaian politics. It was very un-Ghanaian. So, now your politics no based on ideas. The can't do which my Miss Mekami the which my.
Alright.
So what you say? How for policy bra? Miss me family policy bra. For our manifesto bra, na Miss me family manifesto bra. Yanton Ghana for. Na Ghana for ndo so mni ehwe de beboa Ghana for. Na yanton Ghana for. So what you say? Sa na was enke ko no. Okay. But sanko for we say na start see ya tutu din wo Ghana hanum say. Professor Doolittle. Sebi preduasa. Atamos na need Professor Doolittle. Any din no. Want it? Oh, Sabi, oh dear, Google, just Google. Use your phone, Google. The records are there. So, and na beji choose Susia and apprentice on Susia. No, no, be Mahama, incompetent Mahama, but we incompetent Mahama, incompetent ma. And a friend of Boromia, Grofobis or Montias. So, but we are ready for them because they started this thing. We can go back to the records and check who started what. Sabi meaning at them. The records are there. As head of the economic management team, no, the greatest legacy our Dija Ghana mine, and he said, "Wabro eka do so egu honuma Chirima and a babitia."
Before we fee abemo, most broker be bring one more buy and one more bitch be our
a cover motia. Oyama, I know by your educated Ghanaians.
No, of course.
Yeah, let's set the record straight.
But then we were told.
A campaign on Mababitia. You see,
yes, it's excellent. I don't know say buy. Yeah, just a plutonium is to pay. BBN or I'm to pay.
Yeah,
and when people start to say, no, or my boca, you did the same before living. Before living pa.
Or Muba by Moon. Now a car, John Dramani Mahama, a buying the Jow, 820 billion cities. In 8 years, and this are buying car, a buy way in 7 years. Put him or him, and 720 billion. Let's set the record straight. And your car, Mahama Kwana was a can at 2 hormone. You have been here to be free, President for a hormone. Very good. Debate Mark can say from Kwame Nkrumah up pencil, Braga and Nya, family. I did baya buzia baya besi a champon a free fan wine Rollins go for BC Mills Mahama Sono. Ye free a baimu from 1957. I could see Tama ye free a baimu. A car di Jagana 820 billion.
Okay.
What you say?
Yeah.
From Kwame Nkrumah to Mahama. A byway in 7 years. After Brie a cano. From 120 billion cities, it was 600 billion in 7 years. Meanwhile, from 1957 all the way to 2016, na car, na aka, na Ghana na 820 billion. In 7 years, car abangwe abro aroto 600 billion. And Bawumia is the head of the economic management team.
You always attack Dr. Bawumia. Is it because?
Why shouldn't I attack him?
Is it because he is an economist?
He is the head. That's what I'm telling you. He is the head of the economic management team. So Ghana, yesika sem nyina sebeko yesem ko nyina no. One no so na gina. As head of the economic management team, finance minister a member. One na your head. Bank of Ghana governor a member. One na your head.
All right.
And he say bibi Ghana say yesika sem no asaya. Why nfa so bo no mo no. See aburo saka we go in 7 years. Why nfa so bo no mo.
All right.
And then me can say ohima. Mean time Bawumia.
Okay.
What you say? Mean time in you. But any record no. As soon as mijina, I am ma decide near there. Man.
All right, I wish for the charming who Sima Meba. Of course, the show continues. We're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV. Sam Jack Initiative, so that was TV, streaming live. Stay with us. We'll be back after the break.
Oh, how to try. Make for Dory for Vigo Plus amount. Sell J one a boost to immune system. Make sure say come with Janoshi. They can't no serious one. A pretty iron getting kitty be a fully pedrian. Sarah Namuk no complain said, Hunam Nina Janeja. Na me man or Dory for Vigo Plus no. A boost to immune system. Make sure say a can in Mojanoshi. Ama and Namuku Ejina brand. Hey, sir, Dory for Vigo Plus. And here for the mania Drabia. Who called your motor Drabia? We are Dory for Vigo Plus. Hey, Dory for Vigo Plus. It's our heart capsules.
It's na yada be catch them say oh na who say ohudodo ana wapomu ayemra na e kire say immune system no ano ayemre e ba ne say ohia eduro bi te say Dory for Vigo Plus na etimi boost immune system no me kire say e be ka omugya na no hye na etimi apoetia ya we krankro biara a e woni padua ni e maru mfi say busumi edikan no wo fa eduro ya wontimi ne ohukani enhia oba kai se obeyisu panty liner na watimi di woni ehu enoma ebesna ko minia bema kai hunu se busumi ba akwa kwantu enafo enti se wontimi a no apebibi e de abo ho ban
Dory for Vigo Plus enye ma opemfo na abofra wonya emfie dumienu
Abba eni jesem ni o odifo bakopa awurade ayi no ama ya awiemremu ni odifo Samson Kwaku yebo a dodo na friend no awiemfo ba papa yempaibo wo kwiada na waye sunsumunwuma nso efiada na ne kwasi eda nso so no wode asori checheche apisu amaye kona kohwe odifo Samson Kwaku yebo ansekire ne dia wo ye japekrum empochire ben ne da wo so konso ben no bonsam dia to wo so yinyina bie ama hoto aba de wo pa aware de wo pa akwantuo entutu mirika enkopiem ewo drobu jape krom papa san ehwe ne a woni bie enyanka papa hwe won nyina gi mmofrei ehwe won kosi se wo befiri ne nanse akọ de dadwina ye ne sokoda na wachi wiase afa na nyina ahoto ma wontutu mirika me enkopiem ewo drobu jape krom fre odifo ewo 0243 356583 odifo Samson Kwaku yebo a osi awiemfo ba
you try about Koowaa TV, of course. We're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV, GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, some Darkos initiative, some Darkos TV, so you stream live, Afe and Mira Kamal, IT, Ababeka Mensa, I, Kamal Mohammed, aka Kamal, IT, LPP Communication Team Member for Ashanti Radio, that's and no, I said that. Didn't see
lady, where the fetch me? I mean, Memma, your friend is a member, a year watch your phone in actual. So, more fun, chummy. Yes, you food also are in. So, I told you, yes, so, a hand tea. I have for and fun, chummy. Now, me did this also song here. On one or so, I have. I have found the more can once more. Was it a now the old soon there's an amount to make cafe you. Doctor says you can almost now for the 2 when there's someone to make cafe, Mr. Bendy, and I also may have you made to make a baby.
Come on, what's the darkness? Because you say a bull ransom straight out. Okay, what's the Nana Osia Dio Berima Otosu Mino?
Yes.
Edo mahene o say health insurance no munchi aban ntwa okay no aban MPP aban munchia
Okay.
enti ne sise mo ahwe yi a obi su mo court then I will come from
lady medasi na answer na me kwasem no ma menchia party mpenifo na menchia his excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na menchia honorable Ali Strach operations at the office of the vice president. In fact, we're one of the politicians Oba Aswasi constituency no pono at the hall 24/7 na monfu urumne pie both NDC MPP all the community no. In fact, obo papa na lady my imagine say dako me do kwa kwachia no because I what ahwe your program yi pa na measure that for one kasa na me do wa kwa kwachia no on the operations vice president office na me di wie no ma me mfa wie lady me say invite to 25th ya one of your wings Nasara wings you from Matan Nasara chese Nasara ma pato so they say almost celebrity Matan nese pura Matan Nasara say ba ko be kan sa mata almost celebrate your 8th anniversary aye 25th ya no weekend ya enti me invite one doctor nyina ene ukru nyina why doc enti ya momra oh just mo de special mo ba just mo de mo VIP
when it comes to food yeah, chichili say no more
that's right. And me am special and me invite mo special party momra why and no mo so no in fact mo bon ho modern because some membership no mo sha say with nipa 17 no ladies say so mo kura nipa by 473 so I half cry delegates are or mutimo and your board mabaso and I am momra me invite mo why momra aswase nti me ya mema mo direction oh you are now okay lady ati in fact lady mitie osagefo ajeman bedu a wotoso mienu do man hene is lady emprepi no na me problem say ohene anase sabi Ghana ni ebeka ade a oman ne haw na wachire se bia ekwan we ne yemfa so enya ade koro no se nipa make that statement na me problem o hwe de course odoma anase sunyane na nhemu a omo a sabio private hospitals a omo fees omo claims no kase bia ebi akemo a aban entimi enhwe na wo hwe nsama akoso na ho in fact any information a me wo a any nsama ye ose ade yo kan ye no edifa kakra because me kai pa I think say oka more or less like say afini say aban ntimi entuaka ti menka say nya no kre ana mentimi so nka say enye menka say nya no kre but the information available to me actually say sabi sa afena na omo oka ho asem no enrafe na me prove ha ma menka say me kakre bi wa menka ndi on the 8th January 2023 ya
okay
woni mi say honorable Okuboy on na down say
all right
na ma menka ndi kitu bi wa ha enchire wo say the National Health Insurance Authority has made additional payment of 186 million Ghana cedis to a healthcare service providers no na wo hwe date na wo say July 31st 2023 na sa fi ya ejinam ya o oh Ghana Web Ghana Web doctor so July 31st 2023 afi ye mo afi we ye mo payment have made to reduce to just a 1 month debt on to a healthcare services no but what is it and also prior to this latest payment the authority paid 471 million cedis but what is it next one make within January to July no January no make 186 million Ghana cedis July no make another 471 million Ghana cedis
all right
so November me na yewe
sir
and say nsam na ohene ne kan no anaso ose ade kan no say ne nsam onyina no say bia mfa wo ende mega say woka oman no ho asem say bia bibi atochema enkoyi a me ametia me ni problem but me kwa akohwehwe no kure no say nsam na say bio wo kan no saa na etia na anaso political lens bi wo ho kakra
there's no political lens
lady lady what can say you don't think so so you're not makai
adia mira maje na kano we've heard it a lot from this big pharmaceutical shops woman health insurance say so we will be 100% a big pharmacy now or stadium
okay
then you bro mo ka bi mayo it's omuntuo abanitua I said, "Mucheme." I told them, "You do." I'm saying, "Doctor, I'm scamped to four." But I was saying, "I can't remember. We share. I'm sure. Miss Kaina, I love for the crackling in Abetcheme."
Now, lady, Yanka say amount for a to be amount for complaining say a health insurance no payment and answer claims no a delay. Sometimes it delays, but kakreya ma kind ya chire no. E chire me no nyina say san samana ohene kan no ene we no mfa but so what they say and so be complaining so ni claims no a chene de keka ho a ensama wa ha yi no enchire de nipa no so ka no but you see lady adeba ko a I find it so difficult and say osi ade yo ajeman bedu a otosu mi no do my hene I respect him so much but that's what they say now him and this for Dr. Mo ewa ba mu no na eka no na ebebreja wo na sopa wo over 1.2 billion Ghana cedis and na eda ho ye kai pa pato pa 1.2 billion me kai samre no me babema sabi no hododo no kakra me de ne ko menhia na de me de ne ko menhia ehwe ne wie bibia no omo chro Emma me se me nkojedu na me koye no drosso na me kwa akwajedu no lady could you believe say me drew ho me ba bejedu me gina almost getting to 2 hours afede me busa ganisa na de na wama me gina wa chese o ka che me so omo di kan hwe omo asabi omo diska airto because abani ntue claims no that was 2014 abani ntue claims ye ba esoso no ye beto ka 1.2 billion said the midi kan no let's say aban we pesike tua no making sure say ade no sabi wo ko hospital ye betua
they say na aban na tua e ka ne wo hodeda
wo tua e ka ne da hodeda an na me no kan e ka sei e say e ka da ho ene hihye ya eye CEO honorable Okoboy ye ne say at least every single month bia no claims bia bia no o mbe trade e free ho. Now, Omaya Shishay Bia, Omofre Bibi, sunshine, your friend is saying. Let me get the word right. Omofre, Omaya Shishay Biohum. Sunshine, Omofre, no, sunshine policy. Was saying sunshine policy, to deepen accountability, transparency, and social auditing.
Okay.
But also what they say. And in some you say. Bibi, you are just say. Sa 1 year na sab afe ba ko na ye hene ka no anyway ni edifache se emfa
enti se enya 1 year mpa claims wo ha ye ntua
oh na lady who say pre financing okay enti July August September October November December there be a December na say wo de yin July ni free ho but just what they say 4 months you know 4 months na da ho yi according to CEO no okay what she say omotua man nurse sia no 1 month pe ne demo and the claims don't also forget oma ya no modi claims bebree ko no eto de bia ebi ni no kwa enchira ban no obi obetimi di claims akọ ba obekọ akohwe mu no na sebi enye de dawa yesa aban tua no enti sa obehwa omo susu ya ade bi se hwe ade bi wa ha woso omo ye hihye bi ombenya 100% electronic claims management and no at the end of the day no so one city na sebi Ghana ni no de ba ye ma o man nu a aban betua because don't forget sika ye de tuama aye ye friend saying pharmaceuticals no and the kaka no aye sika Ghana ni no a contribute you
okay
but so they say and say aban no etua so making sure at least so one city na be kwa aye one city ni say no na wo de ma Ghana ni no but so they say and say 3-4 months here now mo claim no sabi enye 1 year no
even if it's not 1 year 4 months on
lady
what's happening
lady me nka say 4 months no and aban ni ntua because according to the CEO no
it's a month proud come on let's fast forward adentia
what's adentia unim sisi ametia yi me nka nche say bia 1 month e bia aban ni ntimi ntua no e bia ABC di nte no ntimi ntua but the episode establishing say nsama ohene kan ye no osi ade yo agiman bedu a otosu mienu e kan ye no ene nsama ye kan no na nepe no edifa anya no kura say afinie abantua that is what I want to establish
even if asama amade nyina e kan ye no say even if say 1 month 2 months plan even if 2 weeks why is the government not paying?
The government has paid much sure say a free January to July. We'll make it 2 payments. We'll make it first one, which is 186 million Ghana cedis. And also be make another 471 million Ghana cedis. And the month na woman na ebia emma ye no. And I say metia yi, minnim say ebia August and abanin tua ye, and I say September and abanin tua. But what I want to establish is say enya afe
and yes.
But that's what they say. And that's how they know. So it has been there for a long.
Why should it be there?
Let's say pre-financing.
Oh,
pre-finance lady. What am I doing? Oh yeah, what can't I know? They made the buy now with my no. So I receipt now a hospital the man. No, they have been abanetia. And abano so just say I said you no credit ebeko omone abanin team. Nta make us abano and make arrangements. So benya electronic claims management system. And no wo di tum na wo je receipt na wo di atum and at any time bia no na system na tima check say yes we no woman para we woman no bia friend say translocate woman say much so all is and abani tua no hu say Ghana ni sika na wo de ma wo no etua ma wo no it is what it is accountable to Ghana for no enti yenye afe se de ye hene kan no enti won sam bredum me ye sure say anya de obesa obekọ court because no kwa da ho no eso no kwa na ye ka no enti eso hu say okọ court kwa emfa
come on say for you you guys have to pay enti say I some me hene kan no me no dey adwene and I have been tomorrow 1,000 years to come me de wakasa e fine na won kwaso now we need to back to bia ye me next question no
lady where's that shop only man did
me no did ye
oh hey why ma
I do all the time
for the 30 seconds Mr.
Seconds okay 2 seconds
we are kasad bibisa dey say sa document a obedina ho we sabro fugu Ghana for so aropa the source ni say was Ghana web
okay
nti won so wo kasa nyina na miss me cross checking ni ma wa ha what I say ma cross check
na doctor say we hu ana I know onko mo portal no so no onko mo portal no so be na I need to go Ghana for any
phone go now
what ko mo portal no so wo hu Ghana web
so moving on this
onko mo portal no so
yeah no you moving on so move on
onko NHIS portal no so .gov.gh won ko so wo be hu eda ho
so go now we all have
no oh too let's come clear he told me say Ghana web
oh won ko no web ho a say ko mo portal no Ghana web
sa any lady is there onko so yeah that one it is there what do you say I am not disputing that any the NHIS you know okay say Ghana web ben be say o camera
doctor yeah moving on and His Excellency Vice President of the Republic of Ghana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Akasa okopi me won north na o kasa no the other two ya and say be so say be nya do no ani nua peni a former president of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, and to Western States, so Koowaa, I do beat me a year on Ghana for the Trabama, no, and ma any attack a personality. What I say, because if you train, say, be our version, I have any TB, I have any be that for example, that's a million a bear, like I said, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Eddie Alberto just said, they be general advice, a comobia, enjoy some more aircraft, and I yet caddy bit to me, I yet, a Simon Fana for Ghana, and no size of now I can't maybe subject for say, and no council, would you too, a year, and I say, come on, I'm beginning from you.
Okay. Lady,
come on.
You did can't cut a door. And summer or henny. Are you going back there again? Oh, there be when the doctor dear. So or him the two for and the 250 they can cut. And also one of the year criteria sir you share ye di a year Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. Osha free 2008 year yewura His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo a power now didn't or didn't cha or mokwa pro a year to me a single day yewura His Excellency the Vice President a jine baby atwa yampia aka obi hu nsema je se enye no kwan so I just what they say enti eno Ghana for edi no ho adanse e wo sa kwan no so ene two ahobrase nyankopon so de ache no we unifier before say ye hene nya na e ka asasem no woni mi say John Dramani Mahama so ogonjeni woni mi say gonja hene ya bowura woni mi say wabo akonyama the Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na woni mi di edin odoto no so we say we unity chief all right akonya kesia nkabomu hene sa akonya na omoboma no John Dramani Mahama abaye Vice President abaye President ene no kuomu hene the overlord exactly the overlord of Yabowura, the overlord, the king and overlord. I Gonja land. And now boss akunyana ma His Excellency the Vice President. Okay. And Otundi was the unity chief. So I can't say many nara. Actually, ni sunu ni pabaya waye. Adema Ghana for. I don't see that. Come in the academy minister. If you are mitimanese busia me free more. Yeah. Say ya baba ko nyama obi kra na say ye di kan bobi ma ebusieni ansa de free ho ansa ansa na ebia me no ya bobi ama me but ya bobi ama His Excellency the Vice President
ya bo ama outsider eje fie ni
che say ye hu se nsam na ya na e kan ye no he stand for it and one wo preachie anu da nchen a we should the whole northern region as a Vice President. One also soon papa in terms of infrastructure wise. Our north. Our first vice, national first vice. So far as okay. As some more kindness was one in the hen in the D in common. And on his Susuyan pass say 2024 election year we be tima babe to me for. I catch them as a men go to my men DC. Because Vice President one by President Mpono wabema interchange kakraka interchange be tamale but just what they say was abema airport international airport tamale north but just what they say and to say ye kan mputunjuma the Vice President why be power north okay but so bo John Dramani Mahama dia na eba say say udugula na eba sada so what they say and confirm na no so aba na your friend is say Kanazuri Ford and also so aba so okay Kanazuri Ford no embassy na ewo Burkina no Miss Lady first world kekewu almost spending $650 million sika a wo ka wo fe wo se $650 million omo di si first wall kwa so obeka emu na eye contractor no Kanazuri no ebecha yewura eye the former president John Dramani Mahama ombe man Ford no so ka asasem Ford wogiye ana ode ka ne ka asa ho ano da nchen a sankuko yi me sankuko no mepepa eye fenzen nkonfem no mepene nam na pa enti na ye me ya so obetimi as a sitting president no betimi ama nkonfem etufu krom ha akobokina menu ka sei am I what I say enti ye ka obi a sabi ojina ma oga ama Ghana ojina ma ompu ema mpuntujuma ojina ma enne se wo kwa abuchira na sabi passport e wukura na ese Ghana card wo de kire kwa etimi ema etukwan ene the vice president what I say enne se meko bank na ma elite na ma entimi enyi sika na wa enyi sika
ye de ka so onye
enye na enyi sika oyema lady na wo ma ngasa na metime enyi sika
why late into wo ma kasa
doctor wo kasa doctor was no 2 minutes aya za doctor won sem medom so are say lady omni nipa enese metime dem a essentially the vice president what I say let me eyi sika fi me bank dem me ba me wallet so and me ya me no kasa say metime constituency asoase constituency na say ebia me wo fa asibi ho dodo no na me nika sifia eno an say me fra ambulance Dr. Mahmoud Bawumianti o what I say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumianti me na bi o taking council ekura bi ase so yare na drone ye betima fulani akoma ni ndro ne bi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumianti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumianti o but no bo John Dramani Muhammad dia e de na eba sada I saw photo what I say flying off a fence and confirm Airbus and one eba and the branding of bus 3.6 million Ghana cedis you can't answer no what so say almost 1.2 free so what I say free so now even mobile money interoperability what nim ska am ka so community $1.2 million billion dollars you buy Dr. Mahmoud ba use $400 million and a year interoperability at the Ghana for until on the 2024 what I say the unity came
strong 10 good minutes
the unity came Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia
thank you
medals lady
minutes let's go answer my college number 10
minutes
Mashaba is talking from 26 till now
Lady Diane
Mama Kasasa
did I hear my brother say Dr. Boromia yede unity king
use the right way
yes nene
Gonjaland why the unity king
yes
unity king
let me begin by
Bawati
me
what is here in here
Gonja
yede
mama kuro
why yede
unity king
we united why
ya bo wura ni disi so
we united why let me begin by reminding Kama IT mama reminding no say ni refia Bawumia ni krom ni krom north east and all the way to upper east region boku eho and mam unim se Bawumia o mamprusi ni so unim sa eho and mamprusi for any kusasi for e dia bom
omo dia bom
na unim boku conflict wonti we Ghana has obi a we unifier no this is a question we should be asking Kama so I say Boromia unifier Boromia unifier
okay
ana me ma me bisa say onu wan nkofo kusasi for ni man police for dia boni
and no nkwana
no unifier and as churches as
it has been there long time
what you say oba be unify Ghana nyina o onu wan nkasa ni fichire boko kusasi for ni man police for dia boni since time immemorial all by vice president for 7 years yan ti say Dr. Boromia bi na no
Dr. Bawumia
aka bibi kura fa sa conflict ya ekosui sa ni pa go say ye the Ghana share ni sa eye onu ani feature o 2 ethnic groups in Ghana have been fighting. She mojagu day and night.
Anyano ko.
What mean ya ho hwe?
Anyano ko lady.
Ah,
it is never.
Who says man produce conflict anywhere?
Allow him to talk.
No say anyano ko lady.
E dey anyano ko.
Doctor, go ahead.
I will give him a second. Dey anyano ko. Asema make e dey anyano ko. Anyano ko lady says man produce for. Allow him. What am mama 30 seconds one rem.
Lady, the woman say Dr. Mahmoud Bam, yes, we am Prusini. But Sebi, wonko jina be bin kasa mom Prusini ni kusasi ni bi enko twese kan enko mo.
Asoma make am me so
what they say. Sa chieftaincy no, sa chieftaincy conflict no. Won say I will say for long term. Even I will claim matter. Even Ghana for abo. Very significant.
At unity.
What you say? I don't know what you say no.
What the Ghana for abo.
Toko esi na dia, the want me unity.
Excellent.
So it was Ghana.
Very good. What charity begins at home?
I know what you say no.
What you say? Charity begins at home. Obi bodam a bodam free ni fie. So bet my bibia on shasem free ni feature hon mo.
Okay.
Kusasi ni man police for ntokwa o makwa ma Ghana for Ghana agiti money no. Resources only resources are Ghana sabi o sika kwa ye ni bi. But only resources are you push it ko hon just for peacekeeping and for security purposes.
Me say pekre ma ira no.
What you say? Yes, yes, what you say? Then person me say, "Sa nipa now, when we project ni say, we say no." Sabi, he is far from that.
Okay.
When you say nipa no baby ah.
All right.
In any case no, mama wasem no so. Yana ena Dr. Boromia ko ne na ase.
Yeah.
Ena otunufo. Was me dey share no preoccupy.
Sir.
Campaign sisi ya na ye ba be wura mu.
Sir.
Ye ba be wura mu. Hwe na ye campaign no in a decent manner.
Exactly.
Conduct your campaign with decorum.
Exactly.
Kasa si twidie, kasa twitwi ni atenidie no de. Me mpesa matibi.
Sir.
Ya na anu a Dr. Baumia ko ne na ase won kwa wo ye hwan. Ye ka Ghana han mu say ahemfo akese a e wo Ghana han so bia 5 prominent kings or chiefs of Ghana has ya na aka ho bi. Ye wura di kan, utumfo di kan. Gamanche e ka ho bi. Yana e ka ho bi. The Nairi o ka ho bi. Ha ansana Gonja King ono ne title no yede. Yabonwura. Thanks for the reminder. Yabonwura so yede e ka ho bi. What has it? These are 5 eminent chiefs or kings in Ghana Hanumsi. Into onyo him ketwa. Ghana Hanumsi ukọ a friend say Wikipedia. E chere say the Yana alone controls about 5 million Ghanaians. Yeah. The subjects, this is Dagumba for omu answer to the Yana. Yana story no obo was a 5 million Ghanaians will answer to his call.
Exactly.
So he's a very powerful king in Ghana. In the same ranks as Otumfo Niade and the likes of Gamanche. And I'll call him Atinabiano or Tufu. At the end of him who yenti our cancer cemetery Baumia. Minua. Baumia has conducted his campaign from 2016. Hey,
are you sure?
Oh, Memo was a maybe to be on my back. Okay,
come on, allow him, that's what I'm saying, so please.
Okay, what you say? He has been a beneficiary of dirty politics in this country.
Are you sure?
Hey.
What you say? Look,
let me
say, me am a friend, Boromia. And I object.
Move it to us. Dr. Baumia then can name himself.
Oh,
okay, we go ahead.
It's a heckling near Dawson. Yeah. Oh, from the west. I just wanted you to be real with that. That's all. And I am mean.
Okay.
No, sorry, or interject me. Come on, interject me now. So heckling me.
I just wanted the fact because he next himself already
propaganda.
Go ahead.
All my evidence. What all my evidence? Okay.
Go ahead.
A bride. A boy say only in your cremo for a bambosom. Anaba umia wohorum. Yamaba umia when you saw Mekasa. I don't know catch Mahama. Or to Nidia Homa or to was a Malam John. I don't want it. Oh, want it.
Ah, lady. Malam John, idiot. Please.
Net or a Malam.
But why
show the money Mahama or Mala.
Names like this, you are also up with Boromia. So somebody will say
that is why you see, no, that is why I'm telling you say go be some malama. Hold on.
Mala clergy you. You come malama. We do clergy.
Okay.
And Mala nyedi diatem.
Please.
Interjections in your also.
Okay.
Please go ahead.
No, Koso.
Question we should be asking ourselves this morning is John Mahama or Malamana? Okaya kokuri say Mahama pese obey kremonia Oma me tuba. Oma tuba no tia say what's what ya obetiri.
I think tuba dey mean tuba.
What ya say? Money Mahama ye ya ni say woni ye nuanum kremofo ye de ekosomo ye.
Okay.
Nene wono no ba umia no se boromia se ono nso koru sorry dem kodi communion.
Wa kodi communion.
Na say your friend is Sam George. A friend political prostitute, they are up in arms. So Omuntiasie. How has he conducted his campaign over the years? By name calling. Tutudi basa basa.
Like also
incompetent Mahama. Yanti sadi no Ghana him say. Sebi mpredwa say mbi saw. Afọ ma wotie Lady Diane. See a two the incompetent Lady Diane. Ebe ya ode. Eduma we ebe ode. One what here Kama Haiti. You're too the incompetent Kamala. What I say? Oh yes, that, look, me I said it the other time. Say, I'm sorry the other time. Say, he has opened the door, and all of us will walk through that door.
Okay, fine. So go ahead.
What I say? So one guy said into two ono, kasechuchi. Now, oh
yeah.
Then he is inviting all of us to come on board. He is a sitting vice president of Ghana. And we all emulate from him.
Is it fair for us to do that? And
that is why it's here. Yanano is trying to call him to order. That's Anya man onjai. Nancy Yura John Dramani Mahama Eddie shift economy and I say 24-hour economy proposal ebe to appointee.
Yeah.
Unya kwanya uko ukrum wale anu nko fo kokasa. We were expecting say when is wadi hunu no trimpo awo magana no ubeda na di akire Ghana for na hewe so dey ato abama. Rather than he decided to use the stage to attack Mahama. Say Mahama's 24-hour shift economy no is senseless. You see, attend here say waka say aboa sebi wo anase kwasia.
Yeah.
Benefo money mu a.
Sure.
And I attend you. But because obi policy a wan veil is senseless ah. Nyansa bia ni wo de batwi mu anyasa na kire. Nyansa bia ni and some of us we will not sit down and allow him to go that tangent that he thought won him power in 2016. No, this time round we are going to ensure that whichever way he goes, no, we will match him.
All right.
So I want to plead with our vice president to conduct a clean campaign. Said yana or him pon, him akese organa say we dim intimino. A man fa nana anu twetwe for manase nana sama waka no nko woni so man fa nana anu wo fo nko woni so ma no kebe boaye nyina all those of us in the political arena no kebe boaye nyina if we conduct our campaign with decorum nkebe boaye nyina ntimba
that's why me say wo enti say ye omo ye campaign na say mo ye campaign na say kasetwitwa memo a eya mo ntimi nya na because what we see is say after this kasetwitwa no kwa no mo bia want your brothers and sisters you love and you hug.
That's true
because you people can come on the show like this maybe away Kamala can one pay also aka Kamala and pay as mo pay ya na say the way are now more slim we are na me sure mo say is it like you guys deceiving Ghanaians?
We are not deceiving Ghanaians.
So why do you do that?
But in the heat of the moment, no. Oh, one say, in the heat of the moment, I am a psychologist.
Okay.
In the heat of the moment, no, when you stand before a crowd, we see crowd, they are cheering you on. Sometimes, in the spur of the moment, you can say certain things that you didn't intend to say. But I say, many come out here say, it be a heated argument. I can say something that I didn't even mean to say. That's in the heat of the moment.
Too long ago, let me say last week, na one me of ba ko ba in fact na bufu abadin omo we show na pe ha ye na am na musala muti
o se sa na muti so on say ti o asema ye kan nyina no say Dr. Boromia.
You see, there you go.
Can't
stop saying Boromia.
Oh, so Jai incompetent Mahamanika. Season once.
Let's stop this.
I can say, which was
the propaganda.
Yes, maybe Uncle Papa, any grade. Okay. Watch it. Maybe Uncle Papa, any grade.
All right.
In any case, no. Let's ask ourselves. Come out here and say, on country, baby, you were John Dramani Mahama Kujina. So I can pay.
All right.
Or can be BTR. You were on country.
All right.
But I'll give you a catalog of examples.
All right.
I want you my one example. Say Mahama Kujina, I say, I can't say BTR.
Do you want to say something? My time is up. Let me go for my calls.
Lady,
let him say it here. Let him say it here. Say Mahama Kujina, I say, I can't say it.
Come on,
ladies. Let him say so.
Mahama is a fine gentleman.
No, what
He used to be a gentleman when he wants to.
He's a very cool, nice.
Oh, wonderful. So beautiful. So
adorable.
Oh, what you say? And one of Wakano. As something you know, no one top lady. Oh, that is why you are lady. What do I say?
I for 10 minutes no. Me for my body to ye check. Nkakra. Me so much. More time. Can sleep or say
food break.
Who's the one who interchange with Tamale? Interchange with Tamale. People are watching us.
It's a national first vice.
People are watching us. There's no interchange in the whole of Tamale.
Hey, doctor, if you are
it's not a flyover.
I don't know Tamale one day.
Flyover.
It's a flyover.
How is it flyover? I interchange. Also say flyover.
All right.
Let my
please. What Tamale over here? What am I? Where is Adi with some more interchange? Where you interchange?
Mami you
hope interchange. Interchange in the work as one.
Me you hope
sorry.
Me you
hope no pokuase no.
Me yaba.
Those are interchanges.
So what's
been a word swam sorry.
The word
so fly.
Aspire.
Huh? These are interchanges. Who flyover was interchange? Just say some people na make
me yaba.
So
me yaba.
Mama Fakola. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Yeah, good morning. That's it, brother. Jamila is so much. Good morning. Okay, we're into me engineer so NT Mr. Wawitini. After I'm picking about 2 or 3 more calls because my time na echo pa monfa. Enchemi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Diane.
Although we didn't baby our friend me free.
because it's not new, because it's new, go so to
All right. Is that any sort of pay?
And I said, Mamitia, I think a phone of particularly NDC. And so, Omaka Sapa, and I Brian, they tell me say, the entity from like I say, you're catching them, say, Dana for catching them. I think it's now, among you, to the 2016, now would be good, Mahama. A fan about your fast, and make you. And that may make you, because Baumia, what I saw at the Ewa Baby, vice president, and tomorrow, manager Mao say, and I say, even now, the extra will be used to vice president, economy. Then come NDC now, but when it's true, I never have incompetent, Muhammad. Then come $1 say, it's the same that it's not $1 after you get better after now, man, after you man, after you might be the thing that I'm going to be because you have done another basically and have a bind because you can't allow a bind with him. Idiot, and they like the one I was showing a face with this canoe, contaminated well, millionaire, what I hear. One of them, I know when you go to what I say, excavated by Kira. And this corona posting down, and I'm not talking about the other. They see, yes, I'm down because I never take with a little bit here, Minister Jan, to let me see you, like you did this another down. But whether they say you need to not do the court. All I say, it's about your level, about you, and we shall even know. They are playing over you, shall even behind you, because of my say, or manage that, put out to all I say, I can't still, what would I say about the dollar? Say, dollar to please me, which is another, a fee, a year close to each other, about a year, what you mean. Now, time for me, a year, Mamma won't be here 24 hours, Mamma won't be here, and I say, joke with each other, no question, what I say, I'm going to say, only to woman, or a special management.
So medasi papa also with me anyway, of course, MC caller, do you actually have anything to say? Hello, big question. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Ode, Pachama, we didn't baby our friend free.
But that's a party in the person, Nima.
Pacha ain't see one pay party, Nima.
Yeah, I must take my family up there, Dana. Yes, this is one of them. In your chance, I am looking at your mama. I am looking for in your chance, 1 minute to call your mama. No, dear, but when people from the bar, and you don't know what you are controlling your mama, there's no open your mama need you to have it. All that some are not going to do. I can see how you keep me as a son of a fellow. After seeing the plan for Ghana. You know that people should start doing party and take I can mean a can one come up on the phone down, you know, I was money or didn't start on it. Yes, so entity for internal gospel. One can go by a year, yes, bro, any president of the public, any vice president who said to Kandaya, they should be like the mama or Kanda. You need to want to also, I get your number when you're going to get about why you do. I don't know, always money now, you all come by side, always money now, and I do one, and they come on into a grand plan. They are blown, their mama all the way on with them as my bag.
Yes, you're not seeing Mama all the way from New Maya. Okay, so call me that year. I did 3 minutes palace caller. Hello, good morning.
Bacho, good morning.
Bacho, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, my uncle.
But hello, Prophet Martin, and I'm calm. About imagine can you say? They play a party, MPP, NDC. Sa Katabindi politics, and they throw mother. So person convince you this Omeo party moment tomorrow. Also, you can't send ya. Many parents say, oh, I send you okay here. You two are a dog boy. But you can be so, yeah, so you're I'm saying to you, say, we can't, a bit more convincing upon the criminal back part and out of the common. And here, the other, the illegal, the other to my year, the only other one, and now 2 years, you put to another, and say, you can say, if you name a dumb of my woman, so,
I'm very Brian, sorry, so no. Master 8 Dr. Boromia, Siam Pagana, and Shadis, or by Vice President, if you so confused what you said, I'm Dick and Kayan, on one Gassani feature and to quite see what move that our by Vice President, if you and what if you smoke of you, what won't mean your moshi. And to one craft any more say, Hanya, Ayakasi. Sani Power say, yeah, the Ghana Shannon, sir, on one feature, won't miss easy, on one if you crampono. And said you, dear Quasso, honor, there's a ass of him, a time. Sandy Power 8 be for Ghana and Chester any power answer. Ain't you know, Ghana for Yenina no John Dramani Mahama was it 24-hour economy, shift economy, what they back 24-hour economy, a human, I work Ghana mining, a better trim. Ama yetima fa emabunu mo ama yetima aye adwuma tie na obi adwuma bi start anopa no wotwe ko ekopim anwumre no num a sei no anwumre no num ekopim anadwumu no nyina ye ba ba ye adwuma anadwumu no nyina so company nso ba ba ye adwuma so dia na se ebe hia adwuma yefo die ba ba fa nipa mo obi omuti omu nya adwuma nya biara no John Dramani Mahama ni so ade hu na ode ba no se adwuma ye de adwuma ye baba ma we ama skaba mabunu botom ama kromu esa ba ba ye de
that's it. Come on
lady
come on
lady
asempetia
lady
come on into
lady
come on
Akufado to cut sword for construction of Tamale interchange
and we
2019
oh doctor
2019 and in Pachonya flyover I interchange and the one graphic online
okay so
I interchange Pachonya flyover Pacho what is it until the doctor Kaino and you know lady what is that Unity chief no and as I say a warm say also for Burbe
okay
so I take to Mopa Gonja land baby I former president free
all right
a honor ye see a vice president hene but also what is it with the toko is in the enemy say free titi a year nkromata munna issues na ba chieftaincy na sabi nsase ho 7 de kaka ho but also what is it and say obi nye nkabomu hene a kamenyin ni say enne akonya ye mboma obi ada why vice president why president embo bi man da na nne yabama eye Dr. Mahmoud Baumia anu ni pa Ghana for show 2024 ye break it no inshallah
yati
what do you say lady ye break it na na say me more PRO institution
it won't happen
I'm sorry for your finance that amount for you for something about some and the Republic platform so you better one more I say and I don't pay I bet your family no more AD Dr. E Morrison so and come on IT and also the new patriotic party you know executive team member communication team member for the MPP for Dr. E Morrison on production crew for this morning, executive producer for the show, Rasam Dagusazo, and a producer extraordinary Jake, adorable Jake, Nyakopon Shop, Obia, Sanso, and I'm a director, Kosia Marco Jr., face off, and a Ima, and a Bomachitom, MCR. Mididi Diane, a Duhene, Adam Domea, a bot Donkwa, 1 p.m. sharp. We shall Kumasi 104.1 the Kumasi Council Unity so episode Yapon your channel. Have a good day. Bye.
Amansane